No. Do you know what my mother used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furnitures to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, the one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before the chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the brunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. Now tell me, ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle bats in the shallows. Then maybe if there's time, I'll slide to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jest with your toy before the slice. You can play with your food, but don't dribble. Mama, get the best advice. You can play with your food before you comb it. You can mess with your meal before the munch. You can play with your food, then pulp it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rushing the rushes, dashing down a ditch, find a kind of place where it's boggy. Then make a little camp that is secret to the dam for me and my mate the Moggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
I'll help you to forget the way they scolded, just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. You want to play hide and seek, do you? Okay. Where are you? Am I getting warmer? Oh. Come here. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before the chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the crunch. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. It's a crazy little game. Tell me, ducky, do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game.